What's going on, guys? I want to break down a couple of trades here. Now, we're still in holiday week trading, right? I'm really not looking to get back into the markets until next week. Let everything kind of just digest. But I'm still showing up every day. I'm still looking at the charts, and if there's something that, catches my eye, I'll definitely take it. Here's how I'm approaching this market until things change and I see ranges kind of contract. This morning there was an ATR on the 5-minute time frame on the NQ, which is the Nasdaq 100, of closer to 40 to 45 points. That's very, very difficult to manage stop losses on, because let's say you take a trade, you could essentially be in the winning side of that trade and get stopped out due to pure volatility. So again, it makes it very difficult. Here's how I try to go at that. I come in with a clear plan and objection. So if I'm looking to take a trade setup and I'm looking for a scalp and I'm looking for 4, 5, 6, 7 points and I want to take a quick scalp on it, I'm not going to really give up more than 10 points. Okay. So if I jump into a trade with one mini contract and it starts to pull back on me and it goes down 10, 15 points, I'm going to probably just cut the trade and just say, hey, you know what? Market's too volatile. I get it. I understand. I assume the risk. Here's what I'm doing a little bit more though, right? So that's one way that I'm entering these trades. The other way that I'm entering these trades is just by purely going down in position size, which means I'm cutting my contracts all the way down next to nothing. So I'm playing anywhere between 2, 3, 4 micros, and I'm kind of opening up the stop loss, and I'm looking for a bigger take profit as well. So instead of looking for 4, 5, 6 points, I might be looking for 10, 15, 20 points. So let's go over a couple of trades that I took today. Now you're going to see a couple of examples as to both. So the first example is this 20 play that happened today. Today is, depending on when you're watching this video, we are trading on December the 30th. Now, I was on the call with some evolution traders in the Discord, and I was letting everyone know this is a 90-point candle. Okay, there's no way, there's no shot I'm giving myself 90 points of risk. I know it's not going to happen. Okay, so automatically my brain has to shift, my mindset has to shift to, if I take this trade long, I need to think scalp or I need to get out of the trade. Okay, so get in, get green, get the hell out. The high price here was 21,369. You can see at 1040 we confirm and we shoot up to a price of 21,381. So we go up over 10 points. I only took 5 points on this move. But because I went into the trade with the idea that I am only going to scalp, I already knew that if I hit 4, 5, 6, 7 points, I had to sell. And I got out for about 5 points. Okay. I didn't have a hard take profit. I was just managing it. I seen it go up 4, 5, 6, 7 points, and then I just sold it. Right. And I got 5 points off the move. Now, you can sit here and say, well, if you would have just held, you would have made so much more money. Yeah, but not realistically, because when this did spike, it pulled back 90 points as well. So there was no way that I was going to be able to sit in this move and allow a 100-point pullback on a mini contract and then allow it to go, right? So 90 points, I got to think scalp. If I do take this trade, I'm going to take this trade, I'm going to make some cash on it, and then I'm going to get out of the move. Like, I'm not even going to mess around with it. Now, I went back into the move on this 20 play, and it set up at 10:55 in the morning, and it got confirmed here at 11 o'clock, 11:05. But on this one, what I was looking at was only a 45-point range. So I was telling myself, okay, I'm willing to kind of give up 20, 25 points to see this work out a little bit, but I can't trade one mini. So what do I need to do? I'm going to go down into micros. I'm going to trade a handful of micros, and I'll give myself a 20 to 25 point stop. And you're going to see it kind of quickly pulls back here, and it wants to get below, but I got a couple of things working for me. The 5 and 10-day moving averages are acting as a trailing stop for me. So this 10-day moving average is going to act as a trailing stop for me. As long as we stay over the 10-day moving average, I'm going to hold this trade. Okay. I can see my reason why candle being here. And again, with this, you don't necessarily, shouldn't feel that much pain. Like, I mean, look at the overall move and look at this one little red candle. So if this one little bitty red candle is scaring you, I get it. The range could be up to 20 points. But all in all, structure wise, there's no damage being done here, right? We're still over the 5 and 10 day moving average. So as soon as I hold through this drawdown here, I'm feeling a little bit of emotional pain, but I'm telling myself everything's okay. I'm still, holding structure, and then boom, 11:15 we spike and I sell out on this candle. Now again, I didn't make a lot of money on this trade. I think I made maybe $70, right? Trading a handful of micro contracts, but that's okay because we made $100 here on this trade. We made $70 on this trade. We made $170 on a week where I'm not having the most amount of interest to trade this market, and we're banking away another winning day. And that's all we need to do for these funded accounts is just continue to bank these winning days and just let the days pass, guys. So just wanted to quickly kind of show you guys and highlight how I'm managing these markets, during the holidays, right? And until we get through this year and we get into 2025, that's how I'm going to kind of approach it. And even to start the year, I will still stay on that kind of mindset until otherwise noted. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys have a safe New Year's Eve. And if you guys are looking to trade with me inside the room, that link is down in the description box below. I will see all of you guys who decide to join in on the inside. Also, if you guys need those Apex accounts, you can use code DAnthony for the best available discount that Apex is offering at the current time when you enter the discount code. I'll see all of you guys on the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.